finished now? What do you mean? Have you finished now? Okay. Come on! You're gonna get it! Oh, you won! Ready, steady, go! Ready, steady, go! Where's it gone? Find it! Find it! Hey, good boy! No! No! Watching Teddy running around on the beach, having fun, running around on the sand, reminded me so much of when I was a kid. I was probably about 10, 12, and me and my friends would ride down on our BMXs and we would spend all day at the beach. Magical memories, magical times. And now out with Teddy, doing exactly the same thing. Believe that this was once a thriving cafe. It's like a scene out of the Goonies. Oh, Ted! Ted's gonna shatter himself. You're on the floor there, you can see like the fryer vents. Look there, look. Where is it? And the fryer above me. Such a shame. And this is a shipping container and it is now completely rotten. Teddy! Ted! No! These things are robust. Anyway, let's go back outside because it's pretty epic. It's just been trashed in here. Oh, Christ. Oh, I'm going to go through the floor. Right, let's get out of here. The last 30 to 40 years has taken a major toll on the beach. Roads have disappeared, groins destroyed, and the sea defence smashed over the years by Mother Nature, trying to reclaim the sea, trying to reclaim the land. I must admit, looking around, it is still a very beautiful but harsh reality. Well, living the van life, you can see the solar at this time of year, 3.4 amps, but I'm actually dissipating 5.2. Battery's at 80%, don't know if you can see that. But whilst I've got air fryer oven, coffee maker, I do substitute my power with various power banks. Charges drones, torches, video equipment, microphones. I've got my little Anchor Solex here, phones, watches, all the DJI equipment, and the little projector. Now the new kid on the block is the AFERY. So AFERY have kindly sponsored this video and sent me this little power bank for review. Now I will say I've had it a week, and let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. So we have an instruction manual. We have a USB-C to a 12 volt socket, so you can plug in a solar panel, because you can charge this up by solar panel. Here we go, here we have it. Now It's called the Nano 100. Has a battery capacity of 99.2 watt hours. It's LiPo 4 and it has around 2,000 life cycles to 80%. It weighs 1.1 kilogram and it has a maximum output of 145 watts. It has this absolutely handy retractable USB-C cable, and you can charge it up via this as well. That is super handy. So let's turn it on. Okay, you can see it's at 17% because I have been using it to charge up the old MacBook, which is fully charged. It's got the display button, which you just power it on and off, a maximum in-out 45 watts through this port. This is a USB-C and a USB-A, and that is also power output of that is 3.5 amps, 15 watts. This is one cute little power bank. I absolutely love it. The only thing I wish it had is a little carry handle like you have on the Anker Solex. That is such a handy little bit of kit, and it is so brilliant, and it does everything. You put it in your backpack. It's small enough to go in your backpack. It's lightweight and it looks really well made. Now I must admit, because it hasn't got a handle, I have already dropped it, but there is no damage on it whatsoever and still works perfect. Thank you to AFERY for sending me this little power bank, because it's going to come in so handy. As I say, drone batteries, camera equipment, watch, phone, audio equipment, torches, drones again, and the little projector. So I want to say a massive thank you to AFERY. I'll leave all the links down below in the description for this little bad boy. I mean, it's so sweet, it's so cute, it's cute. Anyway, thank you to AFERY for that. As I said, links in the description, check it out. So once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've found it enjoyable. Thank you to AFERY for sponsoring the video, I really appreciate that, and I hope that we can continue. As I said before, I live full-time on my own, and at the weekends sometimes I have the luxury of having Teddy, and having him just makes the week go so nice, because I get to spend time with it at the weekend and come to fantastic places like the beach. Now, it has been absolutely biblical here. It's been how we've dodged the rain, I'll never know. We went out for a 5 mile walk, 5 kilometre walk, something like that, and luckily we dodged the rain. But it has been absolutely biblical, and trying to film the wind, the rain and the high level of sea, it's just, I don't know, it's so goddamn cool. It really is, and I absolutely love it. I'd love to live permanently by the beach in a little shack, a little log cabin with my van parked next to it. Maybe one day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the new subscribers. And amazingly, I've had a look at the analytics, and wow, my channel has grown quite quickly, and the age is now opened up. Also, there's more lady viewers. So hi there, welcome aboard. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.